Hey everyone, welcome back to IELTS Orbit. If you are aiming for a high bench score in IELTS Writing Task 1, this video is for you. Today we'll walk through real sample answers from tables and bar charts to pie charts, processes and maps. Let's break them down step by step. First up, we have a table chart comparing oil production in 4 African countries from 2000 to 2004. We need to examine the key takeaways. Here they are. Nigeria consistently produced the most oil, while Chad started from zero and rose significantly by 2004. Côte d'Ivoire also showed growth, while Congo-Brazzaville saw a steady decline. This kind of response shows clear comparisons and trends over time, exactly what examiners are looking for. So here's a tip. Always mention overall trends first, then highlight key data changes year by year. In this slide, you can see sample answer for the given question. You can pause here and take a screenshot and read it by yourself and write it down for practice. Now let's look at a bar chart sample. Here, a bar chart is given. It compares how 18 to 20-year-olds spent money on items like food, clothes, and smartphones in 2010 and 2014. Spending on food and smartphones increased, while money spent on books dropped by nearly half. Clothes remain constant. Your writing should show changes, increase, and declines with real numbers, just like this sample. Here's a tip. Use comparison words like rose, remained stable, or dropped sharply. This is the sample answer for it. You can pause here, take a screenshot and read it thoroughly and write it down once for your practice. Next is a pie chart. This shows how electricity is used in an average English home. Over half the energy goes to heating, no surprise given the UK school climate. Kitchen appliances take up the next biggest share, followed by essentials like lighting and entertainment, and finally occasional use items like vacuums and electric tools. Here's a fun fact. UK homes use more electricity for heating compared to homes in warmer countries like Spain or Italy. This is the sample answer for the given question. You can pause here, screenshot it and read it and write it for your practice. Now let's look at a line graph which is showing birth and death rates in New Zealand from 1901 with predictions until 2101. Historically, births outnumber deaths, but by around 2041 that's expected to change. This kind of graph needs you to describe changes over time and comment on your future projections. Use this tip. Use future tenses when describing predicted data. This is the answer for the line chart and you can pause here and reflect upon it and practice thoroughly. Ever wonder how bricks are made? This process diagram explains it in 7 steps, from digging clay to final delivery. It's important to describe each step in order and use passive voice. For example, the clay is dug, then it is mixed, and finally it is delivered. This keeps your writing formal and process focused. Here's a pro tip. Diagrams is equal to no data. Focus on steps and sequence. Here is your sample answer given for the process diagram. Again, pause here, screenshot and read and write it thoroughly. Next, here we have a map comparison showing the present and future development of Norbiton. Right now it's all factories, but in the future it will be a residential area with road, homes, a school and even a medical center. Highlight what's being added, removed or relocated, and always mention directions words like north, south, east and west. Here's a tip. Start with the current map, then describe the changes in the future one. This is the sample answer for the same. Screenshot it and have it your way. Finally, a combination chart with a bar graph and a line graph. It tracks the rise in Japanese tourists abroad from 1985 to 1995 and how many of them visited Australia. Tourist numbers tripled in that decade, and Australia's share grew too, reaching its peak in 1993. This task needs you to link both charts and identify clear connections. Remember, combination charts test your ability to handle multiple data types at once. This is your sample answer. Again, pause and write it down in your notebooks for your practice. So there you have it, 6 types of IELTS writing 1 questions, each with a solid sample answer. Understanding these formats and knowing how to describe trends, comparisons and processes is key to scoring band 7 and above. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe and leave a comment of which task you find most difficult. I'll help you tackle it in the next video. Thanks for watching IELTS Solved, your go-to place for IELTS success.